High Knob Owners Association, a gated subdivision of about 400 homes, is located on the outskirts of Front Royal in Warren County, Virginia. Approximately 65 miles west of Washington, D.C., Front Royal serves as the gateway community for the Shenandoah National Forest, but is also a reasonable commute to D.C. The High Knob Owners Association has a mix of seasonal and permanent residents, but within the last few years, many more people are moving out to this mountain subdivision for permanent residence. Bring a cup if you're going to tour a High Knob home and taste the delicious water. They were named 2007 Virginia Water System of the Year. Gathering water from 5 springs and 6 wells, just delicious. I hope you've learned a little something about High Knob with this presentation. Call us today.